305s right here. We're at my speed tire.
See an uncle there. There's a tune on it.
Y'all, Tamain here, bringing y'all back another video. We just surpassed 900 subscribers, man. Thank all y'all for subscribing to the channel. Y'all already know we got the latest channel up in Chicago. Seen from the last video, we roasted these tires, man. We roasted these tires. My stunt driver absolutely killed it that night. I'm talking about from that Mexican Independence meet night. Like, look at these tires. They have chunks. Focus on that. We got chunks showing. That is no bueno. So today we're about to install the 305 tires that I have. Hopefully they'll fit on these 19-inch rims that I got. Oh snap, the video might be all over the place today because I'm always limited on time, but we got some Michelin Pilot Sports 305 30 19 about to go on the back of these bad boys right now because I have roasted them and we just about to get this build going and going and going. These bad boys up in here. Let's get a cold start with these high flow cats. We haven't heard a cold start yet. I'm gonna do a comparison with before the cold start when I had stock catalytic converters on, and then now we're gonna do a comparison with that after with the high flow cats. Sounds good. It's not raspy at all. This car screams, y'all. We screaming, man. And I think the next performance mod that I'm gonna put in here is the manifold. Not sure which manifold yet. Not sure which rod I'm gonna get. But this year, this month, this week, I should be ordering the manifold. I'm looking into it right now. I didn't want to do it so soon, but I got the itch. I got the itch. Okay, so they are on the 305 30 19. Now as you can see, when I had the 35, the 285 35 19s on here, I had a little, like, the gap was shorter. It was, you know, the lower springs look very good on the car. Due to the 30, which is the sidewall size, this is a 30 right here. This sidewall is definitely smaller than my front sidewall, and my front sidewall here is a 40, and it's definitely bigger. It fits the gap a lot better. That's the only negative thing about the 30 sidewall, but that's not going to be my complete tire setup for now. It's just temporary. What y'all might want to see is what these 305s look like from the side. Look at them bad boys right there, sticking out. Alright guys, so I came up to another Mustang right here, and we're gonna run it. I got the big camera right now. I don't have the head strap, so I'm shipping with one hand. It's kind of hard for me. We're gonna run it back though. We're gonna have to run it back. Go! Give me 2 minutes. Let me get my head strap on. Guys, my head strap is not working, so fuck it. off. There's cars in our way though. We need a legit another route. Get in front of these cars.
Station.
Where you going?
I'm at the next gas station.
Oh, I bet. Let's run it one more time right here. Yeah. I keep trying to shift with one hand and hold the camera. I really can't do it. But I'm gonna do it with the left hand now. I think I'm good now. Let's do it from a dig. Better. Alright, we just pulled over at a gas station. This was unexpected. So, oh, it's not even a 5.0. It's not even 5. What year is it? 2010. 2010. I thought it was an 11 to 12. That's why. Okay, I'm wondering like, why the hell am I taking off on you so quick? Got the 4.6. Okay, that explains a lot for sure. But what you got here? Just got going on.
It's pretty much bone stock. It's 4.6. CNL pull there. There's a tune on it. I got it before I got the car.
Oh, so you don't know.
It's tuned. There's an X pipe and straight pipe too.
X pipe, the straight pipe,
catback straight pipe.
Okay.
I wanted to take the cats out, but I don't know.
I actually just put high flow catalytic converters in my car. That's why I sound like so damn aggressive and loud. When I have my stock catalytic converters on, I just put them on literally yesterday. Yeah. And my car is now 2 times louder with high flow catalytic converters. It just threw a code on my car though.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get it.
Yeah, you gotta. There's like some shit you could do at. You search it up on YouTube how to get like good readings from your O2 sensors. You gotta buy some part at Advanced Auto Parts. Yeah. It's like I don't know what they call it. It's like a spark plug extender or something. And you plug that in, then you screw your O2 sensors in, and it's supposed to like make the gap bigger between like how much airflow is getting in. That should solve your problem. Okay. That's what I heard. That's what I got for my car. I don't know if I'm doing the cats anymore though. Okay. I'm
gonna take a look at that. I'm gonna show you guys because I didn't tell you yet. The code has came up on my car since I put the high flow cats in.
Camming it, and it's getting 410 drive shaft, and some other stuff. Gonna get a dyno tune. Hopefully should be making 500 by the end of winter.
Yeah, by end of winter. So hey, that's a good amount of horsepower right there. We only gonna probably be at like 420 or well, we're nearly there. Probably like 420, 430 this year. But definitely, you know, it's definitely gonna get up there to 500, 600. We're gonna get that blower installed and everything. Next, my car, 2014 5.0, fully stock. Just the I got a 3-inch stainless works X pipe, resonator delete, muffler delete, and I think there is a throttle body spacer on there. I'm not sure how big it is. It was there when the previous owner put it on. Other than that, that's all. The parts, yeah, they are pretty expensive. I find all my stuff. Well, for the 4.6, you're pretty good because you got a 4.6. Now imagine stepping up to this thing. Yeah. I go on Facebook Marketplace and find all my stuff.
Do you?
Yep. I always look on Facebook Marketplace first to see what deals I can get because a lot of used stuff you can put on your car. But some stuff you need new, but a lot of used stuff you can actually put on and save you a ton of money. We got Mickey Thompson's back here as well. I think I'm gonna definitely have to invest in these. These things grip really good, right? Yeah. I've been hearing some good things about some Mickey Thompsons. They will look definitely really good on that car. It'll make it look really good on that. Some stuff. You got the GT500 wing back here as well.
Oh yeah, I've done a ton of like tail lights. These are the stock tail lights. I put the tints and the stickers on.
Okay. Headlights are these? Because these are pretty dope.
The cheapest ones on there. Also,
okay.
And then those fog lights. Those are actually. I got the grill too.
Okay. It's pretty dope.
That's on fun exterior.
Good meeting you. I'll definitely catch you around because I always go to all the meets with all my buddies and Mustangs, all that.
Yeah, sure.
Other stuff. So
just text me, I'll be there.
For sure. Alright guys, I just ran it with that 2010 Mustang back there. Pretty clean black 2010 Mustang. Got a couple of things done to it. He said it was bone stock. He wasn't bone stock. It's not nothing much, but it's not really stock. Compared to me, I'm like more stock because I don't even have air intake or a tune yet. Talking about the check engine light, that did come on for the high flow cats. It's been what, about 3 days I've been driving the car. They finally came on. So what I'm thinking, I'm gonna take in what he said. I'm gonna look up more about that, and then also I know I'm gonna need a good ass tune so I can get this code out of here. So both of those are gonna come in handy and work. I already know like there's nothing wrong with the car, so there's nothing really to worry about. I can clear the code if I really wanted to. I have an SET tuner. I already looked the code up. It's the SET X4 tuner. I've had this ever since my 1999 New Edge Mustang. We got a P0420 and a P0430. Those are basically just the two catalytic system efficiency below threshold bank 1, and this is bank 2. So yeah, make sure you give a like on the channel, subscribe down below, comment down below. We gone.